You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. American physician and economist, Indian born. If you want to learn more confusing names, including from US politics, make sure to stay tuned. The Indian pronunciation, Jay Bhattacharya. Bhattacharya, alright? So in English, therefore, the way it is usually pronounced in the US, Jay, or Jayanta actually, Bhattacharya. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.